Bob Jones has really strong engineering academics. But as I spent time and I took classes, I was surprised at the amount of hands-on experience that I was getting, whether it's computer software, learning how to 3D model with CAD software. You look at this lab right behind me, we have a wind tunnel, which to me was surprising. I spent almost 3 years and I didn't know they had a wind tunnel here, and just able to work with it, modify it even, and just do labs and get data and do calculations. It was so much fun. We also have a lab in one of my classes. It's a propulsion lab. We measure the propulsion of little mini model rockets, and that was a blast. That was kind of cool for me. So yeah, there's just so much to be done, like hands-on practical experience, and I just love that about the engineering department here at Bob Jones.